The Shark RV2620WD AI robot vacuum is a versatile two-in-one device that offers both powerful vacuuming and sonic mopping for comprehensive cleaning of your home. The vacuum features matrix clean technology, ensuring a thorough clean by approaching dirt and debris from multiple angles in a precise matrix grid. Its CleanEdge technology enhances edge cleaning by 50%, effectively removing debris from corners and edges where other vacuums may struggle. The device is equipped with Sonic Mopping, capable of scrubbing hard floors 100 times per minute, and a self-cleaning brush roll that pulls up hair and dirt from all surfaces, making it perfect for homes with pets. With 360-degree LiDAR vision for precision home mapping, the robot can accurately map your home, avoiding obstacles and adapting to changes in the environment. The vacuum also has the capability to return to its base for recharging and resume cleaning where it left off, ensuring a seamless and uninterrupted cleaning experience.